In this video of how to guide, I'm going to show you the way that you can join the ChatGPT Discord. If you want to add in the chatbot of OpenAI or ChatGPT to your Discord server, let me show you the quick process on how you can do this. This is going to be a short and easy video, so let's get right into it. All you need to do is search for OpenAI Discord, and you can see the first search result, which is the Discord server of OpenAI. You can click on this server and you can click on join server. Make sure that your Discord is open on this web browser or that you have the desktop app of Discord. So you can just click on join OpenAI and the OpenAI chatbot will be added. Pick a few options that you need while using ChatGPT or OpenAI. Read the terms and service of ChatGPT, click on finish, and there you go. That is the way that you can add in the Discord server of ChatGPT. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.